What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the AI video using the Sora 2 model. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, if you still find the difficulties to access the Sora 2 because they need you to have the codes or entry codes, and if you don't find that code, don't worry, you can also still have the chance to create the video with this model via media.io like this. And you can start to access this media.io, and don't forget to do the login first with your email. And initially they will also give you several credits over here. If I'm not mistaken, it was 15 credits. And as you can see that they also give you the discount offer. For example, like this is the pay as you go. By paying this several dollars, you have the chance to have the credit, for example, from this 10 credits until 1000 credits. Which one do you prefer? And after that, you can continue to click this buy now and continue to do the payment. And how to create the video of this Sora 2 model. So you can start to go to this video AI, and you can create the video from the image or from the text. And for example, if you would like to create it from text, then don't forget to activate this Sora 2. And there is the Pro and also the regular version. For the regular one, it will consume 10 credits, and for the Pro version, it will consume more than 20 credits. And if you run out of the credits over here, don't worry, because this media AI will also provide you 3 credits every single day. However, you need to do the login and also claim it, and it will be added into this section. So you can start to activate. Let's say you can try it from this regular Sora, and you can also put the prompt into this section. And if you would like to enhance the prompt, so you can click this optimize and kindly wait for the result, and the previous prompt will be enhanced by this media AI, and the video that you will have will be 10 seconds. And as you can see, to create or transform the text into the video will consume 10 credits. And if you would like to change the image into the video, it will consume 20 credits. Which one do you prefer? And if you would like to create it from text, then you can simply put the prompt like this. And after that, you can continue to generate and kindly wait for the process. Maybe it will consume 2 minutes until 5 minutes, and also make sure your connection is good. And after waiting for the process, you can start to have this video like this. As you can see, the movement of this dog is quite natural, and also is totally different with the another AI. The motion is quite natural. And after that, you can also regenerate it, re-edit, or do the multi-model editing, or you can also simply download it, and this video will be officially saved into your device. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this media.io to try out this Sora 2 model. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.